So I'm here in the Downbelow Travel Centre and this is Mag.
Hi Richard.
Hey Mag, what's your role here?
I'm the Travel Centre Supervisor here in Downbelow. I would like to tell you the package that I love. It's climbing Mount Kinabalu. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which
Wow.
is pretty cool. This mountain stands at 4,000 plus meters above sea level. So this is a 2 days, 1 night climb that we have. And it starts here in Kota Kinabalu, 2 hours drive to Kinabalu Park, and then you'll start your climb to the halfway point, which is at Panalaban, where you'll be staying the night. And then the next morning you wake up at 2 a.m. to start your climb to the summit. And
Why do you do that?
because you want to see the sunrise early in the morning.
Awesome.
So you make your way up there. Once you reach up to the summit at 6 a.m., you see the sun rising as heaven on earth. Yeah. So
Is it a guided program, Mag?
it is a guided program. You need a climbing permit to get there. Of course, our package, it includes the transfers, the climbing permits, the entrance fees. You have your insurance.
So basically
The
everything
meals.
that the customer needs,
Everything
you're going
you
to
need.
take care of.
Yeah.
So what's the purpose of the guide other than to obviously lead the way?
The guides, they are local specialists of the area. They grew up there. They will guide you not only for safety but also for the vegetation, the wildlife, the nature, flora, fauna. So yeah.
So, during the trip, will you or the travel centre consultants stay in touch with our clients?
Yes, we will always stay in touch with you. If there's any problem at all, this is where the mountain guide as well comes into play. They will let us know if there's any problem at all with you. We'll keep in touch with you. So you will be rest assured that everything that you have is taken care of. So.
Perfect. Okay. You said it starts off here in Kota Kinabalu, so our down below vehicles will pick up the client from wherever they're staying.
Yes.
And so door-to-door service.
So we'll pick you up, send you up on the mountain. Our trusted drivers. Yeah.
Any equipment or clothing that you recommend for this trip, Mag?
Yes, yeah. You need warm clothing to climb the mountain. A beanie, a hat. You need walking poles that they're recommended with a headlamp and gloves. You can rent walking poles and headlamps here. When you make the booking, you can just state that you would like to rent those. It's very good in terms of rental cost. It's not that expensive at all.
Okay.
So you can let us know and we can arrange that for you before you climb. So everything's ready in the morning when we pick you up.
Great.
Yeah.
Last question really, Mag, is how do we book this trip?
You can book it via down below.
But how?
Okay, alright. So you can book it via online. We
Right.
have an online portal right now that you can book it through. We have promos as well that's going on there, so check it out. You can book it via call or you can email us. We reply to you back within 24 hours.
Sounds perfect. Thank you very much, Mag.
Bye!